I've seen my fair share of condo renovations, and to be honest, they are often transformed into white boxes. Now in this series, I'm going to show you how one design build team transformed 2,200 square feet into a stunning, beautiful home and have not spared any details. The designers were very much hotel inspired when they planned the entrance. They wanted a show-stopping lighting upon entry, some nice subtle wallpaper, and some really great architectural features. When you're thinking about entrances and hallways, you're thinking high traffic. They went with a commercial grade wallpaper, which mimics linen, but is actually vinyl. I love it. And I love how the door is camouflaged, right? Now, before I take you through to all the bedrooms, you might be wondering if this is a closet. Well, no, it is only the coolest powder room you've ever seen. Now this condo reminds me a lot of the Victorian homes that we shoot for House and Home, where there is light at the front of the house and the back of the house and a big dark hallway in between. And of course, you can't add skylights here, you're stuck with the darkness. Now what the Bespoke Group did to illuminate the space is to frame the archways with light. Now this is the kind of detail that absolutely reminds me of a high-end hotel. It's luxury, it's stunning, and it's in a home. This is great, guys. The bathroom was renovated in a very modern aesthetic, but what I have to talk to you about is, once again, this problem solving that is just so genius. The coolest part of this bathroom is actually this oddly cut tile, which you might be wondering, why? Why would that be interesting? Well, this is an access panel to the neighboring suite. And what they did to avoid having that ugly panel on top of their tile is they cut one to size, which is on magnets and removable and just caulked into place. So if ever they need to access it, they could use an X-Acto, cut it out, pull off the tile, which is there with magnets, and access the panel. Problem solving. I think that's genius. The master bedroom is beautiful and definitely still has the hotel vibes that they love. They went with a big channeled headboard and a beautiful dark brown velvet. And then what they created was flow. Flow from the bedroom to the closet and right into the master ensuite. The problem with the space previously was that the walk-in closet was enclosed. It was a fully separate space, sort of the size of a powder room. What they did was knock down the walls and create a walk-through space so they could really maximize the custom cabinetry and have a beautiful view of their shoes and accessories. Because it's now an open concept space with the bedroom, a thoughtful detail was to add integrated lighting inside the millwork so you don't have to turn all the lights on when you're getting dressed. Now the ensuite bathroom needed a major reno. It had a giant corner tub and it was just generally dated. What they did was keep the finishes really sleek and simple, add a beautiful modern soaker tub, and of course the plumbing had to move, which is difficult in a condo. And how they remedied that is by building a tiny platform so they could redirect the plumbing. And now it looks like a piece of art, elevated on a pedestal. Now the best part about this master ensuite is actually the view. This unit has an incredible outdoor terrace, which I'll show you in the next video.